Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get combined formula result in one cell or one column. Okay, this is simple. Marksheet, multiple students are there. So we want total and highest number. The result should be in one column with total amount and highest amount. Sum, give range, bracket close, ampersand, inverted comma, slash, inverted comma, ampersand. Then we want only the highest mark. So max. So give the same range. In one column, you can able to get total amount as well as highest mark. In the same way, we can able to track lowest also or average also. So inverted comma, slash, inverted comma, ampersand, average. Bracket close. So like that you can able to get multiple formula results in one column or one cell. This is another example. We want to know February best salesman based on sales amount. Index, salesperson, then we want to know maximum sales, maximum on amount. Freeze it, comma, you should search from amount only, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, ampersand. Then it should be in inverted commas, slash, inverted commas, ampersand, then simply put max. It should be amount only. So this is the result. Karthik is the highest seller. In the same way, we can able to get April sales also. Simply type the same process. Index. Take the names. Freeze it. Comma. Match. Maximum. Then give amount of April sales, freeze it. Then you should search from the same April sales, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, ampersand, inverted commas, slash, inverted commas, ampersand, max, just give sales. So Nisa is the highest seller. Like that we can able to use multiple results in single cell. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.